made Molly fresh homemade dog food, and now we're going to have her try it for the first time. So we're gonna do half a cup of kibble. Actually, we're gonna put the wet food in first. She always gets her Native Pet the Daily supplement. She loves this. Put it in the microwave for a bit, and now we're gonna add the rest of the kibble. Do a little bit of water to rehydrate it. Plain non-fat Greek yogurt for probiotics. Peptex. Some blueberries. We all know Molly loves her fruit, don't you?
Down.
Now let's see how she likes it. Go get it.